the Nigerian genius.
Method of University of Agriculture, Umudike, and this is the day 7 of the Nigerian Genius 2025. Today we continue with our project work and actually try to make a lot of progress.
For the presentation, everything was in place. The only thing that was not ready was the casing, because we were still trying to, make sure that our device does not have any issue, prior to it. So everything was in place. The AI training was, we would say that we trusted it to function on the presentation, and the hardware components were also ready. They were actually streaming our data to our local host, what we are using to display the data that we get from our sensors. So everything went well. That's what I can say. It was just the case that wasn't ready. So on the demo presentation, we started pretty well. We introduced the topic as usual. We went through the focus area of the solution, and we also displayed our materials, the hardware materials. And like I said, the casing wasn't ready, so everything was just open wire everywhere. So when it was time to demonstrate how the whole thing was supposed to work, one of our setup did not light up. The light just went blank. I pulled out all the wires and plugged them back in. The guy didn't just want to show. I was frustrated. I was like, what's going on? And the funny part of it is that was the main host. That was the main device that was supposed to be streaming. It was supposed to be receiving data from every other component and then streaming it to our local host. Okay, and it just went blank. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I was confused. So the only thing I had in mind to use as cover-up was that prior the presentation, I had already ran the whole system, and the code was uploaded. So I did not close the window. I just left it like that. So I just had to pop up the window again and then show that it was working just before we came on stage. But they need to see it, so we didn't get any score. So that. Right now, my plan for tomorrow is that this night I'll just look for. I've not actually checked. I've not checked out what went wrong. Okay. Right now, my plans for tomorrow is that. Okay. Right now, our plan for tomorrow is that we'll just spend the whole night trying to troubleshoot what went wrong, and hopefully we can come up with a solution. And I just pray that we don't need to buy any other company, because waiting for delivery is something we cannot afford. There's no time, and we need to make it work.
He's saying me now. What did he say about me?
Projected that our AI, when we supposed to detect violence, detecting normal, and when our judge was sitting down, she was detecting that our judge was actually in a violent mood. Maybe he had violent intent, we don't know. And in general, our experience, we experienced that we are going to work more, making it progress tomorrow. We said that we didn't actually try at all, but we're going to make efforts, take more efforts to work tomorrow.
out to everyone. Shout out to CIC for this opportunity given to us to be able to put in work, to be able to meet other geniuses and schools. And we actually work together here. We learned a lot together and we got a lot of experience. So shout out to CIC for this opportunity, and to my fans out there in my school, thank you for the support, thank you for the encouragement, for the text, calls. We are so happy. Thank you for the opportunity given to us. And as we been saying, we'll make it fine.
The Nigerian Genius